Now move on to the University of Jyväskylä. We have with us Niina Ormshaw, who's the International Coordinator for the Faculty of Information Technology at University of Jyväskylä. And we also have with us Riikka Vanhanen, who is the Coordinator for International Student Recruitment at the University of Jyväskylä. Welcome.
Hello. Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity. Nice to see you. And I will just share my slides to begin with. Okay, well, my name is Niina Ormshaw, and I'm the International Coordinator of the Faculty of Information Technology at the University of Jyväskylä. I'm here to tell you about our master's degree program in cognitive computing and collective intelligence. Just a couple of words about Finland. Obviously, Finland is a small population, and we have been one of the safest countries in the world for years, and we also have the cleanest air in the world. We all speak very good English, so students coming from all over the world don't have any problem in surviving in their everyday lives in English in Finland. But moving on to the city of Jyväskylä. The University of Jyväskylä resides in the largest city in central Finland called Jyväskylä, and we have 143,000 inhabitants. We're a very compact city, very safe and easy to get around. All of our students pretty much go about by foot or by bike. And I always say that everywhere in Jyväskylä is about 15 minutes away. We have a very student-friendly city as well. And we have a lot of students, a lot of events. You can bump into your peers at the city centre wherever you go. We always say that Jyväskylä is hard to pronounce but easy to love. The University of Jyväskylä is one of the largest and most popular universities in Finland. We are multidisciplinary, and we have 6 faculties and host about 14,000 students. The Faculty of Information Technology is the second largest educator in IT, and we're very well ranked globally. We rank amongst the best in Shanghai rankings and also the Times Higher Education World University Rankings, where we are at position 400 in the best 500. So let's move on to the actual program that we offer. We actually offer 2 programs in IT in the faculty. The first one that I will be presenting here is the master's degree program in cognitive computing and collective intelligence. There will be a separate webinar on our second program, which is a master's degree in information systems, which is a business and economics degree in IT. But let's get back to the cognitive computing and collective intelligence. The program is 120 ECTS credits, and it means that it is 2 years of duration of full-time study. It will give you the core skills in designing and training smart software and the capability to work in hybrid teams with AI agents. Cognitive computing engineer is seen as the natural evolution from a software engineer and data engineer. So in a sense, when a software engineer creates the systems that create the data, and the data engineer builds systems that create the value, then a cognitive computing engineer builds and trains intelligent systems that automatically do this. They create systems which create the data and pick the value out of it. And as a program leader, Vagan Terzian, often says, is that the only way to secure future employment is really to choose artificial intelligence as your future job. And the program is very much focused on artificial intelligence, but with a twist, I'd say. A few words about the curriculum. The program consists of compulsory core studies, which has the compulsory course element. There are courses in semantic web, deep learning, semantic technologies, etc., but also a very strong research element. The thesis itself is 30 credits and also has the thesis seminar to support the thesis. And also we have integrative research communication course, which is essentially language and communication course, but is specifically designed to support the thesis writing. Also in the program, we have elective studies. So the students are allowed to select whatever interests them most. And those elective studies can be any of the provision that we offer in the faculty. For example, if you're interested in cybersecurity, we have several courses that are also offered in English, so you can incorporate those in your elective studies. Furthermore, there are some optional studies in the program, which means that students are allowed to study whatever they are interested in and whatever is offered across the faculties at the University of Jyväskylä. So students have quite a lot of freedom to sort of steer their own degree to the direction that they are most interested in. We also then have language studies, and for example, there's one compulsory Finnish course for every international student to get your Finnish started and help you with integration into Finland should you want to stay here. Obviously, you're interested in whether you can apply. The typical background degrees are computer science, computer engineering, telecommunications, even applied mathematics or statistics. Whatever the title of your undergraduate degree is, it doesn't really matter that much as long as you have the required skills that we need. So you need to have very strong programming skills. You need to understand the concepts, the paradigms, languages. You also need to have knowledge of data and also strong mathematical skills, as well as knowledge about theoretical computer science. Even those don't necessarily need to come from your degree education. So wherever you have acquired those skills and knowledge, as long as you have some sort of certification alongside with your undergraduate degree, then you can apply. The detailed admission criteria and also the points that we use, point system that we use in the assessment is readily available on our website. The admission process is twofold. In the first phase, you apply online at studyinfo.fi portal, and the portal and the admission is open. The admission period is open from the 5th till 19th of January. And this is for studies starting in August 2022. You will be required to send your educational documentation, and please be aware that there are country-specific requirements, for example, for India. So all the guidance is already available on our website. All those students who are successful in the first stage or phase of the admission process will be interviewed in March. And further information can be found from our website. All the information, how to apply, and the timeline and everything. The tuition fees for the program is €8,000 per academic year for those liable to pay the fee. And we offer 3 kinds of scholarships. We have one scholarship which covers 100% of the tuition and provides you also with €5,000 for living costs during the first year. We have 2 scholarships which cover 100% of the tuition fee for 2 years, and also 4 scholarships to cover 50% of the tuition fee for 2 years. Tuition is free for EU EEA citizens. The scholarship is very easy to apply. You just basically tick a box when you apply for the program. And finally, just why would you join our COIN program at the University of Jyväskylä? I would say we offer quite unique content. We have very international staff delivering the program. We have a very international faculty itself. Jyväskylä is relatively inexpensive place to live, and for example, housing is on average about half of what it is in the greater Helsinki area. We are very small and accessible, student-friendly city, and we also have a lot of local employers in IT. Also, we offer a full webinar series currently, and you can find the details and recordings of those seminars, of those webinars on our website. So if you want to hear more about the University of Jyväskylä and how to apply, please get to know them. So you can find all the details on our website. Again, joint application on the 5th till 19th of January. If you have any questions about the program or what it's like to study in Finland or in Jyväskylä in particular, please feel free to chat with our student ambassadors, and there's a chat box on our website where you can ask directly from your peer students. Okay, thank you very much, and hope to see you in Jyväskylä next autumn.
Many thanks, Niina, and many thanks, Riikka. Thank you for your presentation. Thank you for being here. And I hope you do see students from India applying to your programs at University of Jyväskylä.